What we're going to talk through now is how to install the drop away or Antelope arrow rest that comes with the Elite compound bow and will come with further compound bows in the future. So you'll see here I've got a right-handed Elite compound bow, which is right now the only way the factory make them. We know it's a right hand because when we've got it down facing forward, and in this case the cable guard above our hand, we note that the canyon is on the upper side with our left hand holding the bow. So we know that is a right-handed compound bow because we're holding it with our left hand and pulling the string with our right. Now the arrow rest gets installed on the opposite side on this bow. So we install it on the outer side, the same side that we would install the mount for the quiver. And what we do here is we install the arrow rest like this. So the arrow rest side will go toward the other side, but the actual mount is going on this side. And then what we do is we grab our bolt, spring washer down first, and the larger washer. And we want to have it, well, this is adjustable so you can slide it any way to fit how you want it to be, but I'm just going to install it flush, so level, and I'm going to install that so that's in the middle. Do that up tight. So that's now installed. Now you'll note you don't want it to be like that. So what it is now is it's sitting straight upwards. We want it to be around about there. And the way we adjust that is by adjusting this piece just here. So what we do is, hopefully you can see this, I'm going to undo this bolt here, this little nut, and I'm going to position it where I want it to be positioned, which is about there, and I'm going to tighten this up, and you'll note that now it hits this piece here. I'll show that to you working. So it's not going to stand right upwards. The other thing we can adjust on this is the amount of pressure it takes for this to drop away. And the way we do that, again with an Allen key, is by adjusting the nut on the other side. So we can loosen that off, and then it's a bit lighter, or we can tighten it up, and all we do is loosen this off. Once we loosen that off, we can slide that to where we want it to be. If we want it to be more pressure or less pressure. So we can slide that right in. We can slide that over to make it tighter or looser. See that? We're making the string tighter and making the string looser. Some people say it's a bit too tight when they get it out of the box. Now I can tighten that up. In fact, note to self, I've got to slide it more towards the arrow rest to keep it all nice and flush. Right. Okay, so what I did there and I didn't realise is I slid that too far and it was just moving that both ways a bit too much. So now I can put it where we want it to be, and I can tighten that up. Exactly the position I want. So they're the two adjustments. Obviously you can also undo these lugs and move the whole arrow rest all the way forward left or all the way a bit more to the right. So there's three adjustments directly on here, and there's also a fourth adjustment by how you adjust where you want the whole apparatus to go. And they're the ways we make all the adjustments on the drop away or the drop away or Antelope arrow rest. Thank you.